LeetCode Biweekly Contest 111. It's been about a month since I've gotten all 4 questions done within the time limit in a contest, so that's really my main goal for today. I want to get all of them done. Bonus, ideally, I get through the first 3 without getting a time penalty, because I do that a lot. But I'm going to get all 4 this time. Let's go. Pairs whose sum less than target. That seems like I can just do brute force. Beautiful integers. That sounds mathematical. That's good. If the hard problem is mathematical, it's more likely I can do it. Okay. Number of pairs. Distinct. Where it's less than target. Constraints are basically nothing. This is in Python for some reason. And it's frozen. It's going to take longer to load than it does to write. Come on. Oh boy. Okay. So can I not change language now? Oh boy. Ruby. Okay. So less than target. Great. So I'm going to say nums.each with index do num I, nums.each with, this is a super inefficient n squared solution, but that's fine. Equals 0, count plus equals 1, if num plus n less than, is it less than or equal to? Less than target, and I less than j. Okay, use example test cases, run code. I should get 3 and 10, and I do get 3 and 10. So I'm going to submit, reload because it's not going to be Ruby. And this is really slow. I did it! 1 down, 3 to go. Okay. I'm just trying to reset it to Ruby instead of making these all default to Python, which means I reload. Which means this is slow loading. Okay. Okay, 2 strings. Each index in a set, increment to the next character cyclically. Okay. Set of indices. It's possible to make string 2 a subsequence of string 1 by performing each operation at most once. Ooh, okay. These can be long strings. Got you. Okay. So basically, here I can get A from A, and I can get D from C. Okay. I don't really like working with strings. I'd rather work with arrays. Okay. So basically, true, because I can do the next one. Got you. Alpha equals. Okay. I need to have something going from each character needs to go to the next one, so that's fine. Z map equals hash dot new. Basically, I'm creating a mapping for each character to the next. So alpha dot each with index char I map char equals alpha I plus 1 mod 26. Okay. Right now I just want to see if it runs. If that part's correct. Oh my. Each char. Yep. CM is why I like arrays better than strings. I do them more. Each char dot with index. Come on, man. A to B, all the way to Z to A. Perfect. Okay. So, until r1.empty or r2.empty, and I'm just going to return r2.empty. Okay, so basically, char equals r1.shift. I could do this with pop, but shift is O1 in Ruby, and it's more intuitive. So I want to see if r2 matches. If r20 equals char, or r20 equals map char, r2.shift. I'm shifting off things from r1 regardless. So it should be true, true, false, right? True, true, true. That's not good. R20 equals map of char. What? Where am I getting true from that? That shouldn't be true. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So a BC. I'm going to put these in together into one line. So R1 and R2. So that starts with BCG, because A is pop. C blank. Is that shifting off every time? Oh my god. Python. That's not the issue though. Is OR actually fine in Ruby? That's really good to know. Okay. I'm assigning, not checking. True, true, false. Got to take out the print statement. And let's see, does OR work? Huh. I did not know you could do OR in Ruby. I feel dumb. Sorting three groups. Okay, 0 to n minus 1. Three groups numbered 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Each number I belongs to group nums I. Pick a number x and change its group. Okay. Any number of times. Sort the numbers. Append 1, 2, 3. Oh boy. Nums 0 to 1. Wait. Pick number x and change its group. Are all the numbers 1, 2, and 3? Is it not just sorting? What? This is just saying sort them, right? This is so much more complicated than it needs to be. basically all the numbers are 1, 2, and 3, and I can change each of them to another number until they're sorted. So I want to perform the fewest operations that let me do that. Okay. Some groups can be empty. Okay, so here, right, I could change this to 1, this to 2, this to 3, even. Here I need to change the 3. I need to change either the 2 or the 1. Why is this like changing everything to 1? Am I missing something? This seems complicated in a way where it feels like I'm not just changing them all into 1, 2, and 3. But what? Why did they like changing? I can't tell if this is just here to confuse me or if it means something. Okay, reread this one more time. 1 to 3, where I belongs to num's I. 3 groups. Some groups may be empty. Okay. Pick number x and change its group. Change num of x, right? Sort the numbers in each group. What do you mean sort them? I think this is just a confusing way to say you can change numbers to 1, 2, and 3. So basically I just need to change until it's sorted. Not swapping, actually changing individual entries. Okay. It's only 100 numbers, which is bad. That makes me think this is going to be really slow. Okay. So I could do it this way. I could find a point before which all numbers are 1, find a next point before which all numbers are 2, and then everything after that is 3, and I could calculate that for every point 1 and 2. That's going to be in the order of 10 to the 6, which should easily pass. I don't think it even needs memorization. Okay. So, len equal nums.length 0. I like not passing in for helper functions because I'm weird like that. Do I 0 len dot each do j. Okay, so changes equals this, right? Num changes. Actually, min changes equals len is better. Len, test equals changes of ij. Min changes equals test if test less than min changes. Def changes ij. Okay, so this is just going to be nums from 0 to I. Oh, this is redundant. J needs to be bigger. J has to be at least I. Dot count num not equal. Oh my god, I can't type. To 1. Okay, and then I'm going to do nums from I to j dot count num not equal to 2, and then I'm going to do nums from j to -1 dot count num not equal to 3. Okay, so I'm going to call this i's, ones, twos, threes, ones plus twos plus threes. So the way this works is I basically choose, up to this point they're all ones, up to this point they're all twos, the rest are all threes. Check every combination of breakpoints. Oh yeah, that's fair. And then take whichever one's the lowest. That should be fine in terms of time complexity, even though it's n cubed, because this only goes up to 100. 3, 2, 0. Boom. Let's go. Come on. What? Why? Okay. Interesting. So the output is 1, which means I made I, it can go up to length. Interesting. Three, two, 0, 0 it should be then. Okay, off by 1 error. Come on, really? Why? The numbers go from 1 to 100. Why can I not do n cubed? By the way, should this be I plus 1? Does that make a difference? That does make a difference. Spooky. Why is that too slow? This is definitely n cubed, right? Okay. You know what? Ones equal nums from 0 to I. R equals nums from I to -1. Should speed it up. Now is it n squared? What? totally right. J minus I. I. That doesn't work. It's actually going to be 0 to j minus I, and this is going to be j minus I. Okay. No more nil. 3200. So this should be an. Okay, so I'm doing the ones thing each time. Then for each j, I'm counting only part of it. This is faster, but I think it's still n cubed actually, because I'm still, for each I, still doing each j. For each j, I'm still doing those counts. Okay. It's a faster n cubed, but still n cubed, I think. Dang it. Oh, come on. You gotta give me details. You won't even load the whole thing? Can't even say it's a hidden test case, huh? Okay. Let's see who's won already. What if I could do this calculation more efficiently, somehow? Use example test cases and also one. Okay. I could pre-compute the value of I each time. I could pre-compute the value for j each time too, actually. I don't have to do a count. Okay, let's do it this way. So, ival equals hash dot new. And this should just be an array. And it's going to go from 0 to length. So that's going to be len plus 1, 0. So then from, okay, wait. In the original version, I actually want to go back to the original version for a minute. I can't. Lovely. In the original version, it went from 0 and didn't include I, which means if I were 0, it wouldn't count anything. So that should stay with 0. So I actually want to go from 1 to length dot each do I dot each. So that's I. So I'm going to do ival I. Okay, so if ival I equals ival I minus 1 ival I plus equals 1 if nums I minus 1 equals 1. Okay. And I'm going to make this all be one val. Oh my god. 2val equals array.new. Okay. And 3val. If that equals 3, if that equals 2. Okay. This is going to be something to the effect of 1val I plus 2val j minus 2val I plus 3val -1 minus 3val j. And I shouldn't need this helper function at all. And now it's going to be off by 1 or something. That's way off. Jeez. Okay. P. 1val, 2val, 3val. Okay. Right. Okay. So the i's should just be this, right? So in this one, there are 4 2's, 2 3's. So I do 2 3's minus, there I don't actually change it all, it's not a great example. Okay, so here the optimal is say, I'm going to go 1 1 2 2 3. So I go up to 2 1. For 2's, I want the 2's up to 4 minus the 1's up to 2. So that's 1. Plus 1. Oh my god, this is how many it is, not how many I have to change. I guess I could also just do unequal. 3 2 0 0. Yep, that should work. Just making sure. 3 2 0 0. Okay, yeah. This is how many do match, not how many I have to. Am I still printing? What the heck? There we go. This should be fast enough. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Just needed to be more efficient. So I have an hour to do this one. Okay, oh god. Even digits is equal to the count of odd digits. It's divisible by k. K is going to be like 10 to the 9. Called it. Or low and high, rather, is what I meant.